23rd December 2004. He entered the arena with a 0, much to his and Indian supporters' disappointment. Who would have thought for the rest of his career he would keep us on the edge of the seat in excitement? When he got his first 100 against Pakistan, it was not only a century but a thunder. Time had arrived to launch the helicopter as media started to ponder, who is this the boy wonder? He was a simple shy boy from Ranchi who was about to take off on his dream flight. There was no looking back, no more collection of tickets, as he knew it all how to hog the limelight. 2007. 50 over World Cup was nothing short of a debacle. All of India was waiting for the arrival of the miracle. T20 2020 then was not the preferred format for seniors. Nobody gave us the chance until India beat the Proteas. Johannesburg came the final showdown against arch-rival Pakistan. It was a test for him to pass if we were to believe he was a man. He gave the final over to Jay Sharma. People said, "Oh, blunder." Moments later, we realized it was his tremendous belief in the bowler. India rose again as cricket got alive. It was not far before we started conquering. His captaincy, field placing, bowler movement, all were unusual. Little we had the knowledge that he was rewriting the coaching manual. Series came, nations changed. We continued to beat them. Under his captaincy, the top spot in Test was first claimed. It didn't take long for him to rise to the number 1 in ICC ranking, but it was just a process in the making. A new era was beginning. With full-time captaincy on his shoulder, the hair became shorter. How does he keep his head so cool was still a matter to wonder. Wicket-keeping was unorthodox too, but was a piece of art. The world has never seen someone behind the stump so smart. We still do not know how it is so fast. How does it do the tricks? The batsman knew it's over had he spent outside more than a blink. Stump Mike used to give tactics, words of wisdom to the spinners. I enjoyed listening them more than most of the commentators. The curtain was raised. Came the year of 2011. He and his men had all the burden. The moment he hit the ball into the sky on that historic night, the wait came to a halt as Indian cricket reached another height. With Champions Trophy coming, the focus was on fitness. He led from the front in making a team that was ruthless. Not a big score. In England, against England, it was a win for them until he took over the charge alone with the spinners in tandem. 23rd June 2013. At 2 o'clock at night, whole of India erupted as MSD became the only captain to have all the trophies that existed. Many tournaments came and went by. We went very close too. But alas, in the knockout stage we were short by a yard or two. 2019 we all knew was his last. Thought it will be sweet, not salty pinch. Fate turned otherwise. As a best finisher fell short just by an inch. From Chittagong to Manchester, the beginning and ending were the same. The path traversed in between was of absolute fame. From being mentor, guide and big brother to current team, oh Captain, you have made us realize a billion's dream. 15th August 2020. as you hung your boots just the way you came to put the full stop to your international career? It broke the heart of a whole generation in a blink with a drop of tear. You are not only the captain who gave all the trophies, as you are also an inspiration from 9 to 90s. You may have retired, but we will not let you go. You are the one who taught us to burn out our ego. Every small town boy who would want to achieve big, it will be your journey that will give the moral dig. Your biggest achievements were not all those trophies you gathered. Even at 5'3", the phrase Dhoni is still there. That we uttered. Being a normal fan out of millions, all I can say, you are not a pal do pal ka shayar. For me, you are हर एक पल का.
कल कोई और आएगा जो मेरे से अच्छा खेलेगा. कल काफ़ी दूसरे लोग आएंगे जो आपसे अच्छा देखेंगे. तो फ्यूचर में कोई याद करे या ना करे, डजेंट मैटर. तो मैं पल दो पल का शायर हूँ, पल दो पल मेरी कहानी है, पल दो पल मेरी हस्ती है, पल दो पल मेरी जवानी है. मैं पल दो पल का शायर हूँ.
मैं पल दो पल का शायर हूँ, पल दो पल मेरी कहानी है, पल दो पल मेरी हस्ती है, पल दो पल मेरी जवानी है.